Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making some dal, and this is a Guyanese staple that is commonly used with any curried meat, fried vegetables, or even white rice or fried salt fish. Alright, so we seasoned our dal and we want it to be smooth and thick and nice, so let's get started. I did soak 1 cup of yellow split peas and then I washed it well. And I soaked it for about roughly 2 hours. Then I also have some cumin seeds, some pepper, and some fresh garlic. When you're making dal, you need fresh garlic. Do not use a preserved garlic. I'm using my pressure cooker to do this so that it would speed up the process, guys. So I add some oil, and then I'm going to add the cumin seeds, the pepper, and the garlic. Now you can use a pot to boil your split peas until it is soft if you're not too comfortable using the pressure cooker. Once this is done, for about a minute or so, I'm going to add the yellow split peas inside and fry it up again for another 2 minutes. This is just a quick way to finish my dal. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Along with some turmeric powder, guys. Now I'm using a little bit of turmeric powder because I want my dal to have that nice yellow vibrant color, because some split peas doesn't really give you that full yellow color that you're looking for. Fry it again for another minute or 2. And at this time I'm going to add some boiling water. And you want to add water like 3 inches above the peas. When you're using the other method, which is not pressuring, you're going to be tending to use more water. Alright, place the cover on and let it pressure for 10 to 15 minutes. At this point the dal is thick with some remaining split peas that needs to be smooth, so I'm going to use the dal sizzler, or the dal gutney as we call it. This is just a Guyanese thing, that this is how we sizzle our dal, guys, using the palm of our hand and just rolled it. This is going to make the dal very smooth. Alright, so over onto our stove, I have a pan over medium heat with some garlic, some cumin seeds, and I'm going to use some vegetable oil and fry until caramelized and brown. Now you can add a cube if you want into your dal. That's alright. I do not put cube into my dal, and that's for extra flavor, you know, seasoning up your pot just the way you want to do it. So once our garlic and the cumin seeds are brown and nice, it's time to season our dal by pouring this mixture right into the pot with the dal. Just like this. Stir it again, make sure you taste that it's all flavored and nice. Then let it boil again for another 2 to 3 minutes over very low heat, and time to serve. So here we have our dal that can be served on its own or used with any curried meat, fried vegetables, or fried saltfish and white rice, even bread, guys. Yes, so give it a try, and don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.